Welcome back to Delhi Dangal. I am Ankit Tyagi. Yes, so the BJP has been hit by rebellion in their ranks. So when they decided, or in fact they have decided about the tickets for the MCD, there was a heated argument between the Delhi BJP president. Sources are telling us that between Manoj Tiwari and 3 MPs of Delhi. Listen in to this story.
Protests, defections,
पार्टी ने भ्रष्टाचारी बना के निकाल दिया। इससे आहत है और हम जनता के बीच में जाएंगे।
and now a tussle between BJP MPs and the party's Delhi unit chief. With just weeks to go for the Delhi civic body elections, the latest face-off reportedly involves Manoj Tiwari, BJP's Delhi unit president, and senior members of parliament fighting over ticket distribution. Each of them want their candidates to be given a ticket, with the MPs even daring Tiwari to quit if his candidates lose.
सांसद होने के नाते कार्यकर्ताओं के लिए लड़ाई लड़ना ये मेरा कर्तव्य है। मैंने लड़ी, पर तब तक जब तक टिकट घोषणा नहीं होती, कार्यकर्ता के लिए लड़ना या कार्यकर्ताओं को लड़ना ये उनका हक है और वो होना ही चाहिए।
In public, the state BJP chief maintains all is well.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी एक लोकतांत्रात्मक पद्धति अपनाती है। आप किसी पार्टी में पूछिए कि क्या आप सारे सांसदों को, विधायकों को, विधायक प्रत्याशियों को, जिला अध्यक्षों को, मंडल अध्यक्षों को, चुनाव समिति के एक एक व्यक्ति से, इतने लोगों से आप पूछताछ करते हो क्या?
After BJP's historic win in Uttar Pradesh, the MCD elections are a matter of prestige for the party that lost 67 of 70 seats to the Aam Aadmi Party. But will this internal tussle prove costly for the BJP? With Himanshu Mishra in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, that's all the time we have on the Delhi Dangal's first episode. Remember, till 23rd, we'll keep coming back to you every day at 6 p.m. with the pulse of the national capital. For now, it's goodbye from me. Stay tuned to India Today. News and updates continue.